Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
For this question, the background understanding here is, do you know that every tRNA carries a specific amino acid? So they carry specific amino acid to the ribosome according to the anticodon. So how many different types of amino acids do we have? Total, we have 20 types of amino acid. With this understanding, actually you will know that inside our cells, we need a total of at least 20 types of tRNA in order to carry each and every one of the amino acid. So with this, when you read the question, a peptide consists of 10 amino acids. Okay, so you'll be like, they are made up of 10 amino acids in length. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Joined together by peptide bond. But they are made up of 4 different kinds. Here, the 4 different kinds basically means that you have 4 different types of amino acid. So maybe you have this type, the blue color ones. And you might have the red color amino acid. So you might have the green color one and the yellow color one. So how many tRNA would you need to actually carry this amino acid to the ribosome? So another understanding here is, we know that tRNA can be reused. So to carry these 4 different types of amino acid, I just need minimum 4. Will do. Because why? I can reuse my tRNA. So after they bring the blue color one, then later on, when they're needed again, they can be reused. So the answer will be 4. Don't get confused by the number 10. So unless the question is asking if in a protein, using all the different types of amino acid, how many tRNA do you need? At least. Then it will be 20. Because in all our protein, if all amino acids are used, then we need 20 types.
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with 1 or 2 past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.